Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I am going to show you that how to remove an email from your Roblox account in 2024. Whether you are changing your email or just want to remove it, I will guide you through the steps. Let's dive in. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to open the Roblox app in your phone. Once you are logged in, go to More by clicking on the three dots at the bottom right corner. Now scroll down and click on Settings. Now you have to click on Account Info. Okay, so if you want to remove email from your Roblox account, you have to change your birth date. Now you have to click on Yes. Now you have to enter a 6-digit code which has been sent to your registered email. Okay, so as you can see, after completing the verification process, you have successfully removed the email from your Roblox account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Savvy for more Roblox tutorials. Thanks for watching.